how do you move an actual inventory item that is stated as being built and need to send it over to the dealership? Well, first of all, we're going to take the serial number and we're going to enter it into here. Now, this field can only have numbers in it, and we'll need you to actually type in the actual numbers so it can do a database search. However, the very first thing is if you see it go through here and you don't see any serial number pop up after you wait a couple of seconds, then what this means is the serial number that you've selected is not actually built yet according to the according to the production system. So in those cases, you're going to need to get with Jake or Sean or whoever is working in the production system and go ahead and update the building to built. Have them update the building for you to build. Now, in this case, I have just manually updated here, so I'm going to refresh this so I can show it to you. Let's see. There we go. Now, since it's actually stated as built, it will pop up right here. So when you select this, because this is an inventory and there's no order attached to it, it doesn't know who's making the move, what the haul rate is yet, because it doesn't know where it's going, and it doesn't know where it's going or the date. So what you're going to do is put in the dispatch company and then put it in the location. So I'm going to pretend like this is going to go to New Haven. Once you've selected this, you'll notice that it will automatically select the haul rate. It's very important if you see that the haul rate is not on here. This means that this is either a new dealership or this is a dealership that we have not yet received the haul rate information directly from Maggie or anyone else that we need it from. So if you see the haul rate missing, make sure to send us an email and include Maggie in it, or let Maggie know and just say, we need to add the haul rate for this dealership, and then we'll get that added and taken care of. But for the majority of them, the haul rate is already added and set up. So at this point in time, all I need to do is hit the move date, and we'll be good, and we'll be able to add it forward. You'll notice that, let me see. You'll notice that as we put in a serial number, let me make sure I'm doing this right, 6224. You'll notice that as we put it in, an order ID pops up. This is irrelevant. This is from the previous order that is related. But that's how you move an inventory item.